Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're here, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning subscriber, most of you are welcome. So there's a story that is trending at the moment about Casper Nyovest baby mama Tobeka, who has revealed that Casper Nyovest was cheating whilst their son was in hospital. So she wrote, "This birthday hits different. The last few years have been something, and looking back now, I'm filled with gratitude. Who would have thought I do be here, not in pieces, but in peace? The tears that were once in silence are now from laughing out loud. I'm actually in awe of the goodness of God. How am I so deserving of this unconditional love, His covering and grace? Even when I was unfaithful to Him, He remained faithful to me. I've always heard God is found in certain location. I didn't know I do found Him at my lowest and most broken. At 8 months, my son was diagnosed with cancer in an entire different world. I always stood on protection and privacy, trying to maintain the world, and my world was a marathon on its own. I lived in an oncology hospital for 2 years with my son as he went under chemotherapy and life-threatening surgeries. In the death of fighting cancer, I was hit with a curveball of infidelity. The woman knew me, my son's condition, and made no mistake with flaunting their relationship. After finding out he ended with her and tried to make amends with me, I could not trust someone who can hurt me at my lowest or allow another woman to disrespect his woman. Considering everything we have been through, it was more of the timing than the infidelity. He later married her. In between home discharges and a new project I started, I had to stop my life, put aside my own emotions, and show up for my baby. At the time, his health was more important than my heart. One thing we would do is enjoy the world. Faith and family was the remedy to everything. Both families understood the mandate. Living and loving is what we stand on. Landed in the center of God's hands, He had me exactly where He needed me. I gave my life to Jesus. I entered the era of isolation. He placed me in His secret place. He worked my character, renewed my mind, and restored my heart. The work hasn't stopped. I die to self daily. He continues to mold me as the perfect potter He is. I'm fully in my Jesus girl era, walking in love and forgiveness. Most days are better than others, yet peace remains. I'm yet to see what God has for me. Many reasons to celebrate me. Today, my son is cancer free, and it's all glory to God. This is so sad to hear, and I think there are two sides of the story, and at the moment we're just waiting for Casper's side of the story. And someone was asking that probably he was busy with work trying to find money for the chemotherapies. They are expensive, and we would like to hear who was financing all this hospital bills and everything. But I think physically, for a person to be there for you physically is more important than financially. I think that's what she wanted more than all this thing of finance and stuff. And it's so painful that within that period of time he decided to marry another woman and do all other stuff that she was doing, forgetting that he's got a son who needs him the most. I don't know what you guys think about this situation, but to me, I think it's so painful. I feel for her as a woman, I think. And then as we wait for Casper's side of the story, yeah.